For health justice, we strongly oppose any proposal or any bill, particularly the right now in the House of Representatives, the what we call the sin tax sabotage bill. This measure threatens public health, undermines international obligations under the WHO FCTC, and reverses years of progress in reducing smoking prevalence. This moratorium is directly violative, or it violates the Philippines' international legal commitments and is inconsistent with our Supreme Court's affirmation that the FCTC is part of our domestic law. Article 6 of the FCTC underscores that price and tax measures are essential tools to deter tobacco use. Halting tax increases not only contradicts this obligation, but also sets a dangerous precedent, weakening the nation's credibility in global health initiatives. This proposal would make tobacco more affordable, thereby fueling consumption, as mentioned by our doctors, creating new smokers, and reversing our public health gains. It also perpetuates poverty and disease, disproportionately harming vulnerable populations and exacerbating health inequities. Tobacco taxation is not just merely a fiscal tool, as mentioned by our colleagues. It is a proven public health strategy. It protects lives, generates resources for essential programs, and curbs the influence of the tobacco industry, which continues to push harmful narratives disguised as economic solutions. In a time that price of food is high and the healthcare systems is strained, prioritizing public health is more critical than ever. Instead of imposing a moratorium, we must focus on number one, we should increase further tobacco and e-cigarette taxes and ensuring revenue is allocated to public health programs such as smoking cessation and healthcare services. And we need to have a public health education campaign that is sustained against the harms of tobacco and what the industry is doing to perpetuate this kind of attitude. Strengthening enforcement is also a very important, as mentioned also earlier, against smuggling, while recognizing that addressing illicit trade is about protecting public health. We call on policymakers to stand firm against industry pressure and reaffirm their commitment to a healthier, more equitable future. Tobacco taxation is a cornerstone of sustainable progress and a testament to our nation's dedication to public health. So please, let us not falter on this. Thank you very much.